Alright, YouTube, we're back after a long time. Been real busy, unfortunately. Lots of stuff going on, but we're gonna get back to making a video today. And if you're familiar with my videos, you know there used to be a 2012 RMZ 450 sitting there. It is now gone. We exchanged with the gentleman that had that car right there. That's a 1997 Cobra. It's a little bit rough, but it is a Cobra, so we got our hands on that. Of course, has the Cobra brakes, all that good stuff. But like I said, this car's a little rough, so we're gonna piddle with it a little bit, or we might just sell it. I got a guy interested in it already, so we might go ahead and sell it. And then there's a 1974 Jeep, of course. We're doing some work for some friends on that, but that's not what today's video is going to be about. Today we're going to talk about and hopefully get some action for you on this guy right here. Of course, this is my, I think it's an 07, 08 YZ250. Of course, it doesn't really matter because I don't think much changed between those 2 years, but we're going to get him out and get him fired up. Hadn't run in a few months, I'd say. I think like 3 or 4 months, basically the whole winter. So we're going to get him out. Check the fluids and check the gas, make sure the gas is mixed good, and mix some more gas to take with us, and go do some riding today. So we'll work on that, and then my truck, which is right here, is loaded down from working on that Cobra and changing oil and stuff. So we won't be taking the truck today, but we will get the little trailer and stuff together that we've used before in the past. So just hang out with us and have a good time today. Hello. What are you doing? Boo. Are you scared of the camera? You're a little bit bigger than the last time you were on here. Say hi. Hi. All right, say bye. Bye-bye. Hey, be nice to Cooper. You be nice. All right, see y'all later.